subscribe, like, and do share this channel so that everyone will be benefited by Rahul's videos. Kaushik is asking how to manage time in site test while writing TAT stories, VAT, and SRT. Kaushik, I would rather say that managing time depends on your practice. If you are writing a very good stories, try to write, but first story should not affect your second story. See, you are getting 4 minutes of your time. Try to conclude whenever you feel that the time is exceeding. Try to conclude at that time only and go for the next story once the second picture is coming. But you should not hamper your quality. Writing story here they are not choosing. One thing we have to understand that here they are not choosing and writers. Your psychology has been will be tested. Now if your story is half but it is very good, it is very psychologically sound story, then it is been preferred on the full story which is psychology unsound. Like if a person who is writing anything whatever comes in mind and ruining his story will not be preferred in front of your half story. So your story should be psychological sound. It should be very good, very detailed, very interactive, and very logical. This is very important. Then completion of your story. Coming to your VAT and TAT, try to keep your VAT very short and very I can say right on your life, how you went. Whenever the world comes, try to relate with yourself and write it. That will give you very good impact, and you can write all the questions. If you are missing anything, leave it. Don't think about it that you have missed 5 or 4. Leave it and go for the next question and write it. Coming to SRT, I would say that you have to give a quality attempt rather than quantity. I got recommended by doing 31 SRTs, but I used to write very good SRTs. I used to like the same. See, TAT and SRTs are similar. TAT are the SRTs in a picture form. SRTs are the things normally like the action pictures whichever had been given are nothing but an SRT only, situation only. You have to react in the form of story, in the form of the reaction. Now the action part, whatever you are writing, write is crisp so that and use commas and complete the action part, how you tackle it, and if there is a fire, then you have to write how will close the fire. You saw like you called fire brigade, until they are coming you evacuated people, you means alerted them, then you evacuated. When you evacuated, you gave them first aid. You saw that whether the this like they has to hospitalized or no. If they has to severely injured, then you have to hospitalize. Then you saw that nearby there is a nearby vehicle, or then you put him. So you carried him very I can say that very carefully. That terms like carrying carefully, using towel to stop this like blood. This makes an impact on an assessor that this person is taking very keenly solving the problem. See, SRTs are like solving an SRTs are not just like an solving an questions. It is like if you are in that problem, what all things you will do, what all things your maturity person does. If I am going and solving a problem of fire will be very different from a NDA guy is solving a problem. If I am dealing with an accident, if I am getting an accident on a road, then first thing whatever I will see whether I am hurt lot. Then I will call I will call an ambulance, or I will see that the people who are passerbys, I will stop, then I will go. But if I am a child of 5 years or 10 years, when I am getting an accident, definitely I will cry for my parents. I will ask people to call my parents and inform them. That is what as a child I will do. But as a youngster grown up, I will be responsible. Why I will tell my parents about the things whatever I went through, while I will bring them in tension. This is what maturity comes in place, and this is what a psychologist wants from you. He don't want how you solve and just run off from that situation. Don't try to stop or cut that situation by answering that you want to answer maximum questions and you'll write anything comes in your mind. No, don't do it. Your quality should not be hampered in your TAT and in your SRTs. VAT, I can understand. VAT is like you can practice and do it, but TAT and SRT, please don't compromise to your quality. Kumar Rahul Yadav is asking about lecture rate. I think he want to know more about lecture rate. So Rahul, lecture rate is like you have to speak for 3 minutes. In 2.5 minutes, there will be GTO will give you an warning bell. There will be 4 topics which will be given. The sequence of the topics will be from hard to easy. You have to take one of the topic and you have to speak on it. The thing is like if you have a very good knowledge, do speak on first 2 topics. It brings an impact. But if you are taking the last topic also and presenting it very well, then it will have a similar impact as a person who is giving a first attempt also. Because lecturate, they are just seeing how you speak in a group in front of 5 to 6 people with a knowledge and present yourself very decently. So that is what they are seeing. And knowledge thing, if you have it, it's very good. But if you don't have it, it doesn't matter a lot. So I can say that for lecturate, do improve your knowledge, work on your knowledge, read newspapers, see the YouTube news channels, understand the topics, speak logical in lecturate, and be I can say that impactful. Your actions while speaking is very good. Your actions, I can say that your expressions. Whenever you are speaking in front of 5 to 6 people, you have to be very interactive. You have to see in everyone's eyes. You have to make them understand what lecture you are giving, because you are telling them. That is very important. Don't get afraid. You have to stand and speak. Be very stand in very good posture, and you can use your hands, but that should be restricted to your shoulders. You can't extend your hands beyond your shoulders. That means that if whenever you are speaking, you can use your hands in this way. Like you can, if you want to speak, you have to not your hand should not go beyond this. Like you should not use this. This is not a right way to speak in front of in your group discussions, in your lecturate and all, because this is not, if you are extending your arms beyond your shoulders, that is not a right body language according to a psychology. You can use your your hands in front, you can stand well, but I would rather say that a very good posture will impact your lecturate. Also it gives you a confidence. Watch all the videos in the playlist, because I have answered maximum questions of your doubts, and so if you are missing any questions, or you can also get the answers what others have asked, and that can be the common among you all and can clear your doubts. If you have any more doubts, please comment in a comment box, so that subsequently whenever Rahul will get time, he will answer your questions and make your doubt clear. I just want to make a note here that Rahul has created a WhatsApp group. The link will be given in the description. Please do join that. I will also be present, and we may all learn together and reach our goals on time.